We'll be replacing the battery for the JBL Extreme 2. Pry and lift both edges of the wire meshes. Now just loosen these screws. Now just pry and remove the wire meshes. Now you can just loosen these screws here. The JBL Extreme 2 can play music for up to 15 hours. It's also waterproof and can connect to up to 100 JBL speakers, perfect for house or beach parties. The speaker also includes a bottle opener on the strap for your drinking needs. Pry and lift the battery cover up. Now unplug and remove the battery. This can be a little tight here. Now just install and plug the new Camera Zeno battery. This battery is a part of our X Longer series. It has a capacity of 6,800 mAh and was designed to max out the full potential of the JBL Extreme 2. Install the battery cover. The JBL Extreme 2 has noise and echo cancelling speakerphones for smooth and clear calls. The durable, rugged rubber material means that you can take the speaker along with you anywhere. Now it's just time to install the wire meshes. The JBL Extreme 2 has dual passive radiators, which delivers amazing sound quality, and 4 drivers to deliver powerful music. Despite the big size, it has a strong, robust design and weighs relatively light at 2.4 kg. It has a built-in USB port, which makes charging effortless, as well as an auxiliary audio input so you can connect to this speaker directly.